Jenna Ellis, former Trump lawyer, pleads guilty in Georgia election case. Jenna Ellis, a pro-Trump lawyer who amplified former President Donald J. Trump's baseless claims of election fraud as part of what she called a legal elite strike force team, pleaded guilty on Tuesday as part of a deal with prosecutors in Georgia. Addressing a judge in an Atlanta courtroom, she tearfully expressed regret for taking part in efforts to keep Mr. Trump in power after he lost the 2020 election. Ms. Ellis, 38, pleaded guilty to a charge of aiding and abetting false statements and writings, a felony. She is the fourth defendant to plead guilty in the Georgia case, which charged Mr. Trump and 18 others with conspiring to overturn the 2020 presidential election in Mr. Trump's favor. Ms. Ellis agreed to be sentenced to 5 years of probation, pay $5,000 in restitution, and perform 100 hours of community service. She has already written an apology letter to the citizens of Georgia, and she agreed to cooperate fully with prosecutors as the case progresses. Ms. Ellis, unlike the other defendants who have pleaded guilty, asked the court to let her give a statement. She cried as she rose from the defense table and said, "As an attorney who is also a Christian, I take my responsibilities as a lawyer very seriously." She said that after Mr. Trump's defeat in 2020, she believed that challenging the election results on his behalf should have been pursued in a just and legal way. But she said that she had relied on information provided by other lawyers, including some with many more years of experience than I, and failed to do her due diligence in checking the veracity of their claims. "If I knew then what I know now, I would have declined to represent Donald Trump in these post-election challenges," Ms. Ellis told Judge Scott McAfee of Fulton County Superior Court. "I look back on this experience with deep remorse. For those failures of mine, Your Honor, I've taken responsibility already before the Colorado bar, who censured me, and I now take responsibility before this court and apologize to the people of Georgia."